yes, we're gonna go straight into this video, you guys. If you watch my previous video, then you know what this one is about. As promised, I will be showing you guys how I was able to achieve that pink and gold look that I had on my previous video, you guys. This is pretty much raw, unedited, not too much to it. I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I transformed from being basic to bombshell. Okay, so yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much what I'll be showing you guys. I'll try to talk as much as I can, and I'll try to include the name of the products that I've used on that video, either on the video itself or on the description box. But if you guys have any more questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. So the makeup look was actually inspired by my line Fleure Collection, so that's why everything was mainly pink and gold. And for me to achieve the look, I want to use the Makeup Shayla's Perception palette, as well as one of my lashes in the style Sweet Pea. And you guys, if you have not gotten your lashes yet or your bundles, go ahead and visit our site at fleurecollection.com. Okay, you guys, so for the eye look, I'll be using Culture as my transition shade, and then I'll be using September on my eyelid, like all over. It's like the pretty pink color that you guys are seeing right now, so I'll go ahead and use that on my eyelid. And then I'll be using I believe it's Revenge on the outer corner of my eye for like a little bit of smokiness. And then later on I'll be using TF and Strut and Slay on my inner tear duct. And also I'll be using September on my bottom lash line, which you guys will be seeing later as well. Okay, guys, so we're almost done with the eye look. Like, I'm not a makeup artist, so I can't be doing no extra stuff. Okay, so this is it, you guys. So we are pretty much almost done, and then we're gonna move up to lashes, you guys. And if you have curly lashes, you need to listen to that part, because yeah, this may help you, because they helped me. Okay, so you guys, my lashes, my natural lashes, are actually very curly. This is not even how they naturally look, because I've already uncurled them a little bit. Because if I don't do that, they will actually touch my eyelid, and I can't even apply eyeshadows. That's how bad it is. They actually coiled. So what I do is, in order for me to uncurl my lashes, I basically use an eyelash curler. So the way that I use the eyelash curler is I use it upside down, and then I uncurl my lashes with that. And yeah, so I use it for maybe about like 30 to 40 seconds, you guys. And also, do not pull on your lashes, because you're gonna be lashless. So while while the glue is getting tacky on my lashes, I go ahead and use the eyelash curler upside down to basically uncurl my natural lashes. On this video, like I've already mentioned, I'll go ahead and use Sweet Pea for my collection, you guys. Sweet Pea is like very popular. It's actually one of my favorites. It's the best transition between natural and, you know, a little bit more dramatic lash. So it's right in the middle. Most people actually like it. A lot of people actually get it. So yes, so we are going to apply Sweet Pea on this video, you guys. And a good tip when you're applying your lashes is to actually have another smaller mirror so you can look down. That way you can expose your lash line, and it'll be easier for you to apply your falsies that way. And you guys, let me tell y'all something, okay? Like, applying lashes on camera is not easy, okay? It is not easy, because applying lashes itself is a whole process. Like, you really have to be a certain way. You have to, yeah. So it wasn't easy, like trying to be within the frame and all that stuff, you guys. It was a challenge, but your girl did it. And also, you guys, I do have a lash applicator on my line, which basically helps you apply your lashes better. So I will be showing you guys at some point how I use it to apply falsies. Yeah, so that's what you guys are seeing right now, just your girl trying to apply the falsies. And yeah.
with the eyes, so now let's move on to the face. Yes, I went and applied eyeliner off camera, so now we're just gonna go ahead and get the face done. I'll be applying my primer, my foundation, do highlight, contour, and everything, and you know, the whole nine, and then I'll go ahead and do my lips, and yeah, and we'll be done. pretty much almost done. As you guys can see, the face is almost done. You know, we can leave the house looking like this. Okay, so anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like final touches, apply my a little bit of highlight. This one is from the Mariah Carey collab with MAC. Yeah, I've had this for a while now, you guys, and yeah, I love it. But anyway, so then we're gonna move on to the lips. And if you guys know me, like my favorite lip combo is actually like a dark purple and pink in the center, so that's what we're gonna end up doing today. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and apply the lips, you know, like set my face with my setting powder, setting spray. And then go ahead and, you know, put a little wig on and we'll be done. Are done, you guys. We did it, y'all. So we are done. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. I had a good time. I had fun making this look, you guys, because I love pink and I love playing with makeup. So yeah, so that was fun. And if you guys have seen my previous video where I did the blue eye situation, you can see an improvement. Okay, from blue to pink, you can see that things are getting better, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.